What's going on, guys? I figured I'd do a little video here showing you the truck I just picked up. This is a 2006 LBZ Duramax single cab long bed 2500. Let's see. And I just picked up his little project to get done real quick, and I figured I'd show it to you guys, and if you're interested, I'll go ahead and make some more videos on what I'm going to be doing to it. But let me just go ahead real quick and show you guys around the truck. So as you can see, it's definitely pretty rusty. The fenders here, gone pretty much. The frame is surprisingly not too bad. It's gonna need rockers and cab corners as well, but the frame, like I was saying, it's really not bad. I'm up in New Jersey, and this is honestly, I mean, it might be a lot for some of you, but for me, this is pretty good condition. But one thing I really liked about this truck was power windows and power locks. So this is pretty much as loaded as it gets for a single cab. Overhead console, dual climate control, and it's really not that bad in my opinion. You can see the cab corner and the rocker needs some attention, but not a big deal. Doors a little bit, but definitely savable. Taking a trip over here to the driver's side. It's pretty similar condition. You can see a little bit of rust there on the fender. Down there, frame, you can kind of get an idea. There's something else going on under the hood when you look there, but down here, rocker, not the worst. Same goes for the cab corner. So I'm going to be putting new metal in there, and got a new fuel sending unit here. Got that kind of just rigged up for now. But inside, like I said, power windows, power locks. A little rip in the seat, but aside from being a little dirty and the headliner sagging, it's really not too bad in here. I do have this cover, but you can see, a little sneaky, there's a DSP-5 in here. So let me go ahead and show you guys under the hood real quick. So under here, the truck has a WC fab, high flow, wide bridge, and intake piping kit. So a fair amount of work done under here, not a whole ton. And then it's also tuned. It comes with a 5-inch exhaust. It's not all the way on right now, but you can kind of see there, 5-inch, and then I have the rest of it sitting in the car. Gonna have to go ahead and put it on, but gonna need wheels, tires. Trying to think out under here. There's a little bit of stuff going on that's a little funky. You can see this dude's got a hose clamp here and some dumb shit that I'm gonna have to go ahead and redo the wire harness. But let me see what else is under here. I don't really think too much anything else. New alternator, new water pump, some other stuff. Zero blow by on this truck. I'll go ahead and start it up for you guys real quick.
Beachbound.com.
So as you saw in that clip, truck runs really good, no blow by. It's got 262,000 miles on it, so it's a little bit up there, but not too bad. Push button, 4-wheel drive, power locks, power windows, all that good stuff. I think I'm gonna keep this truck for a little while, maybe, I don't know. It is an LBZ. I'm gonna probably put a turbo on it, and injection pump, some other stuff, tune it up a little bit, obviously a bed, and fix the rust. But if you guys want, I can go ahead and make videos on this truck. I'm gonna start by stripping down the frame, getting that painted, and then putting the bed on, obviously, and then going ahead and fixing all the rust on the cab. So if you guys are interested in seeing me do that, rockers, cab corners, and then upgrading whatever I'm going to do to the engine, go ahead and drop a comment below, and maybe like I said, I'll make a few videos on this here truck. But that's gonna be it for this one. Just a quick little video. Has been probably 2 months since I uploaded, so I figured I'd give you guys a little update. But there's gonna be some new content coming soon on Chevelle, and I actually also just picked up another project, a 68 Camaro. I'll go ahead and make a video on that soon, explaining. I could start getting into it, but this video will get a little bit too long. But that'll be coming probably within the next few weeks when I go to pick it up from where I got it stored at. But that's gonna be it for this one. Drop a comment below, like I said, if you want to see some more videos on it. A little bit different than what I usually do, but I don't know, some people might be interested in it. And then drop a like I said, comment, and definitely subscription. Starting to get up there a little bit. Hoping to see some more subscribers soon, and probably be a little bit more motivation to get some more videos after you guys. But that's me for this one. I'll see you guys next one. Thanks.